Here's why Nutratech stands alone. Stage 1. The PolyWeb Electrostatic Pre-Filter charges particles with static electricity, effectively trapping larger particles like pet dander, dust, and pollen. Stage 2. A woven polyester material that can trap particles 10 times smaller than the thickness of a human hair. Stage 3. The Puratech Pre-Filter, with its millions of microscopic pores, captures the rest of the larger particles before they can clog up the submicron filters that follow. For maximum long-term cleaning efficiency, we've combined the first 3 stages into a separate cartridge that is completely cleanable and washable. Then, we package the submicron stages 4 through 8 in a separate replaceable cartridge. Stage 4. The MicroGrip Tackified Filter. This stage is treated with a super adhesive that increases the filter's submicron particle holding capability. The 5th stage, a densely pleated large HEPA-type filter, similar to ones found in hospitals, removes the smallest microscopic germs and viruses from the airstream, eliminating up to 99% of all hazardous particles. Stage 6. The antimicrobial filter contains a specially treated material that neutralizes and destroys any surviving microorganisms. The filtering process continues with the 7th stage, a high-capacity activated carbon filter that acts like a sponge, absorbing gases, chemicals, tobacco smoke, and odors. Stage 8. The Ultra Purification GWMX filter. This special filter is actually woven from carbon and is used as a defense against deadly gas and viral warfare. It gives you that extra measure of protection by removing and absorbing any remaining toxic gases, chemicals, and odors. Stage 9. The Air Freshening Ionization stage. It uses electricity to negatively charge the air as it leaves the system. This harmless current bonds smaller particles together, creating a larger particle cluster that is easily captured, invigorating your air with mood-enhancing negative ions while freshening and purifying your air. And finally, for the ultimate protection against indoor air pollution, there's Stage 10, the Deodorizing Activated Oxygen Generator. Designed for use in unoccupied spaces, this stage uses a corona discharge tube to create activated oxygen, which is O2 with one additional oxygen atom, to form O3. The additional oxygen atom makes the O3 molecule unstable, which forces the extra atom to break away, actively seeking out odors and pollutants, destroying them on contact while sanitizing surface areas, carpeting, and fabrics, leaving behind O2 or fresh, clean air. Remember, you can't control air pollution outdoors. However, you can reduce air pollution in your own home or office. Nutratech Air Purification System, the high-tech solution to indoor air pollution. With its 10 unique filtering stages, it's like having 10 individual air filters in one. Protect your health and the health of your family by breathing cleaner air today.